Hello Year 9. Today we're going to be looking at how you're going to be assessed for your first piece, which is going to be next week in Pink Week. Okay, so we've been working on the research page. Now, a lot of you have actually submitted finished work for that, which is brilliant. Okay, if you haven't, then you still have this lesson and next week's lesson to submit that piece of work. Okay. Bear in mind that is worth 25% of your final grade. Okay, so it's going to be 25% for research, 25% for designing of the speaker, 25% for making, and 25% for the evaluation. Okay, so just to go over that again, we've got research sheet, 25% of your final mark, and it's to be submitted next week in Pink Week. Okay, now I've got a couple of examples from last week which are completed. Okay, I think this is Millie's in Year 9. It's excellent work. All of the designs are fully coloured, and then next to all of the different components, there's a little sentence explaining what the actual component does. Okay, so there's another example here. Really good work. Okay, just maybe I think you're missing one or two of the components. Okay, so make sure that you've got a resistor, electrolytic capacitor, speaker, battery grip, printed circuit board, jack plug, and ceramic capacitor. If you can put the symbols on, that would be even better. Okay, and then that is due in for next week. If you have not finished that, please continue with that and get that completed today. If you have, then you can go on to the next stage, which will be the lesson a week after next, and you will be starting the designing section of your speaker. Okay, so what you're going to need for this is a pencil, a ruler, and a rubber. Okay, and you're going to do a page, basically of a page of doodling. Okay, so I come up with this design, or these different designs, you're going to draw it in your next page of your book available, and I just want a range of different ideas. Okay, lots of different shapes. Okay, it doesn't have to have a lot of detail. Okay, they can just be 2D if you want. And I know on the side here I've done lots of 2D designs, and then as I've gone further on, I've done a couple of different drawing techniques. I've done 2-point perspective here, and I've done 1-point perspective here. Okay, so this is an example of how your page looks. It doesn't. You don't have to have annotations. I just want a completely full page of different ideas, please. Okay, to do 1-point perspective, what you need to do is draw the shape like this. I'm doing that. You're going to have. I'm going to do that. Draw out the shape that you want from straight on. Okay, and then put a point somewhere on your page in the corner here, and I'm going to join all these lines to that dot. There, here, one here as well, and that's it. And then you're going to do some parallel lines here. I'm going to do one there. I'm going to rub out those parts. You're going to do it with pencil, and then I'm going to there, and then another one here. I'm going to have a line there. Okay, and then if you rub out these parts, these ghost lines, then you've got a 3D shape. Using that simple technique, and then if you just put the circle for your speaker, you can put some different detail into it, and maybe put some patterns on there, render it. Okay, but that's just a way of drawing in 3D. Okay, simple way, and then you can just add that. Obviously, you just draw that on your page, like I have done on here. To do 2-point perspective, it's a little bit more complicated. Okay, so you start off with a horizon line, so it's a straight line. Let's just do something like that, and then each side is a vanishing point. Okay, so you can just mark that with a little cross here and here. And I'll do a similar shape to the one that I've done below. But what you're going to draw here is draw the corner of the shape. That. So I'm drawing this corner here, and then I'm going to draw here, here, here. Make two triangles, and then I'm going to put the thickness in by drawing a straight line. So I'm going to do straight line down, and then I can rub out those, and then I'm going to put another line here and get rid of those. Okay, so now I've got a 3D cube, 3D shape in this corner here. No, sorry, in this perspective. This is 2-point perspective. Okay, so it's not looking exactly like this. So I'm going to draw this shape into here now. So let's draw a line here. We'll do a line there. 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 And then I'm going to get rid of those bits. There, 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 there. I'm actually just going to join those up now. Here. Join that up there like that. Okay, so now we've got a similar shape. I know it's not exactly the same, but I'm going to draw a speaker in there as well. If I draw a line from here, there, and then I'm going to fit my circle in there. That's not far too big. A bit smaller. Okay, now the way I've drawn it here, you can only see two sides. If you drew it below the box, so if I draw it again here, you'll be able to see the top of it as well. Might be a better view for this. So you can do a couple of different views of it. There. Join that over there, and this side over to VP1. This is VP1, this is VP2. Vanishing points. Okay, and then you've got that shape in here, and then if you draw the shape that you want, let's just do it quickly. There, and let's do a different shape. There, get rid of those. There. Okay, and then this is where you need to put any new points that you've created. You need to go to here. Parallel line going the same angle. There and there. Okay, so now you've got the top view, the front and the sides. Okay, same little trick to just do two lines to make sure the circle's correct size. Speaker. To just squash it down as well. There you go. Okay, so I've got a couple of ideas there. They're all drawn in 1-point perspective and 2-point perspective, and you can just do some straight on 2D designs as well, and just add those all to one sheet. No more than one sheet. Okay, shouldn't be taking more than 1 or 2 minutes on each design. Just quick doodles, get them down. and you'll have one full page of designs of your speakers. Okay. Obviously, I want you to finish this page first, the research page, and then go on to doing the drawing techniques. Okay. Take a